The rocket is soaring through the clear skies, every second moving closer to the accomplishment.
India joins the elite. A giant leap for 1 billion dreams. One of the 4 big space superpowers. And the nerve center of space and engineering, Karnataka.
From satellites to robotics, Bengaluru is the place where India launches its global aspirations from. Our space tech policy is going to concentrate on 2 dimensions here again, both upstream and downstream. So when you say upstream, that's the core space, deep technology part of it. Whereas the downstream is how can space applications be used to solve problems here.
Karnataka's long tryst with space and aerospace started with ISRO, HAL, BEL and NAL, whose success fostered several generations of innovators. A quiet revolution is brewing in Bengaluru's engineering and space ecosystem, as a new generation of startups create innovative, nimble technologies for India and the world. Karnataka-based startups have attracted around 35% of the total funding received by India's space tech industry. It is aiming for a 3 billion investment target for the sector. As part of Karnataka's Space Tech Policy 2025-30, a space tech park and a center of excellence for space has been proposed. SIA India has been selected as the implementation partner for Karnataka. An in-space-backed Centre of Excellence will function as a hub for space tech research, product development and commercialization.
We signed 2 MOUs with Karnataka state where the state will set up a manufacturing cluster dedicated to space industry.
Startup Digantara saw the benefits of setting base in Karnataka. This startup maps satellites and debris around Earth to help space agencies plan their new launches.
The main part is talent. Talent is something that we have quite a lot in Bengaluru because of the ecosystem of ISRO, HAL and few other organizations, legacy organizations that had already nurtured all of these talent in India. Everything that the government is doing right now is more of a positive signal to investors to also invest in India from global markets.
Pixel, founded in 2019, with 3 satellites operational by 2025, is the first startup from India to work with NASA. The high-quality images from its satellites are the best in the world.
One of the very specific things I remember for Pixel is applying for the Startup Elevate grant, where the Karnataka government provides up to 50 lakhs of grant money. The Karnataka government also brought together experts from ISRO who could be advisors and mentors to our startup in the early journeys as well, and which has been very, very crucial.
Space has also become the focus for foreign collaborations.
Last year, Italy was the country partner at the Bengaluru Space Expo. And we had a very big and very successful exhibition on what Italy does in space at the newly opened Science Gallery, Bengaluru. We have already scheduled a big mission from the Italian Space Agency in India with an important leg in Bengaluru.
Space tech isn't just rockets. It's a launchpad for cutting-edge robotics and deep tech. And Bengaluru is key to the $1 billion investment that India is betting on this sector. Karnataka is host to over 25 autonomous robot startups and more than 78 drone startups. The state is also home to 40% of robotics patents and 3 out of 5 premier robotics research labs in India. The Machine Intelligence and Robotics Center, MINRO, is one such initiative in Karnataka for AI and robotics. Another initiative is Art Park at the Indian Institute of Science.
Art Park has been created by IISc along with support from DST and the government of Karnataka. to really help deep tech innovators in that journey from very early stage proof of concept to actually finding markets, customers, having products, revenues.
This world-class innovation hub is working on deep tech solutions that impact our daily lives and beyond, from agriculture to communications and defense. Agnit Semiconductors is India's first gallium nitride semiconductor technology startup. Their products are being used in communications by the defense industry.
We were incubated at the INSENS, which is the Specialty Nanotechnology and Semiconductor Incubator, which is jointly funded by KITS and FSID and IISc.
The Karnataka government has several initiatives in this sector. Startups in the robotics sector can get support from the Kitven Fund 6 that has a corpus of Rs 100 crores. In addition, winners of Elevate are also being supported by the Government of Karnataka's Idea to POC Grant Fund scheme. With such an ecosystem in place, Karnataka has the potential to become a hub for global players in aerospace, robotics and defense.
We are trying to figure out where technology is headed, where the industry is headed, so that we are future skills ready.
From spacecraft to robotics, the city's startups are rewriting India's engineering and tech playbook. This is where science fiction becomes India's reality. One launch, one algorithm, one breakthrough at a time.